2025 Honda CB750 reviving a legend, the timeless icon exploring the legacy of the Honda CB750. In a world where innovation and progress never cease, there are few constants. However, the Honda CB750 stands as an enduring symbol of reliability, performance, and timeless design. As we step into 2025, Honda has once again captured the spirit of this iconic motorcycle, reviving it for a new era of riders. Let's explore the features, innovations, and legacy of the 2025 Honda CB750. Honda CB750, a modern classic reimagined. The 2025 Honda CB750 pays homage to its legendary predecessor while embracing the latest advancements in technology and engineering. At its core lies a refined and powerful inline four-cylinder engine, delivering a perfect balance of performance and efficiency. With electronic fuel injection, variable valve timing, and advanced engine management systems, the CB750 offers smooth power delivery and exhilarating performance across the rev range. Honda CB750 cutting-edge technology. While staying true to its heritage, the 2025 CB750 incorporates a host of modern features to enhance the riding experience. Riders can expect state-of-the-art electronics, including ride-by-wire throttle control, multiple riding modes, traction control, and ABS. These advanced systems not only improve safety and stability but also allow riders to tailor the bike's performance to their preferences and riding conditions. Honda CB750 timeless design, contemporary style. True to its lineage, the 2025 CB750 boasts classic styling cues combined with contemporary flair. The iconic silhouette, with its muscular tank, sculpted lines, and retro-inspired details, pays homage to the original CB750 while exuding a sense of modern sophistication. From the LED lighting and digital instrumentation to the premium finishes and attention to detail, every aspect of the CB750's design reflects Honda's commitment to quality and craftsmanship. Honda CB750 versatility and performance. Whether tackling city streets, winding backroads, or long-distance journeys, the 2025 CB750 excels in every environment. Its agile handling, comfortable ergonomics, and adjustable suspension ensure confidence-inspiring performance and all-day comfort. With ample power on tap and responsive throttle control, the CB750 delivers thrilling acceleration and effortless cruising, making it a versatile companion for riders of all skill levels. Honda CB750 honoring a legacy. As the latest iteration of a legendary lineage, the 2025 Honda CB750 carries on the legacy of its predecessors with pride. It embodies the spirit of innovation, reliability, and performance that has defined the CB750 for over half a century. Whether you're a seasoned rider or a newcomer to the world of motorcycles, the CB750 offers an unmatched blend of heritage, technology, and excitement that is sure to captivate enthusiasts around the world. 2025 Honda CB750, based on trends and expectations up to my last training cutoff in June 2024. Honda CB750 engine. Type, inline four-cylinder. Displacement, approximately 750 cubic centimeters. Fuel system, electronic fuel injection. Valve mechanism, DOHC, for valves per cylinder. Cooling system, liquid-cooled. Power output, around 100 horsepower, 75 kilowatts. Torque, estimated around 80 Newton meters. Honda CB750 transmission. Transmission type, 6-speed, constant mesh. Clutch, wet multiplate, slipper clutch optional. Honda CB750 chassis, frame type, steel trellis frame. Front suspension, upside-down telescopic fork. Rear suspension, monoshock, adjustable preload and rebound damping. Front brake, dual disc, radial mounted calipers with ABS. Rear brake, single disc with ABS. Wheel size, front 17 inches, rear 17 inches. Tire size, front 120/70 ZR17, rear 180/55 ZR17. Honda CB750 dimensions. Overall length, approximately 2,100 mm. Overall width, around 800 mm. Wheelbase, approximately 1,450 mm. Seat height, estimated around 800 mm. Ground clearance, around 140 mm. Fuel capacity, approximately 16 liters. Honda CB750 electronics. Ride-by-wire throttle control. Multiple riding modes. Traction control. Variable valve timing. Full-color TFT display with smartphone connectivity. LED lighting throughout. Keyless ignition. Honda CB750 weight. Curb weight, estimated around 200 kilograms. Honda CB750 embracing sustainability. In addition to its performance and style, the 2025 Honda CB750 also reflects a commitment to sustainability and environmental responsibility. With an eye towards reducing emissions and minimizing its carbon footprint, the CB750 incorporates eco-friendly features such as fuel-efficient engine technology, recyclable materials in its construction, and a focus on energy efficiency throughout its design. Honda CB750 community and customization. Just as its predecessors inspired generations of riders to personalize and customize their bikes, the 2025 CB750 encourages a vibrant community of enthusiasts to make the motorcycle their own. With a wide range of aftermarket parts and accessories available, riders have the opportunity to tailor their CB750 to suit their individual tastes and preferences, whether it's adding performance upgrades, custom paint schemes, or unique styling elements. Honda CB750, a new chapter begins. As riders across the globe eagerly await the arrival of the 2025 Honda CB750, anticipation is high for the next chapter in the saga of this legendary motorcycle. With its blend of heritage and innovation, performance and sustainability, the CB750 continues to captivate riders of all backgrounds and experiences. Whether it's carving through mountain passes, cruising along coastal highways, or simply navigating the urban jungle, the CB750 promises an unforgettable journey filled with excitement, adventure, and the unmistakable thrill of two-wheeled freedom. In the ever-evolving landscape of motorcycling, the Honda CB750 stands as a timeless icon, bridging the gap between past and present, tradition and innovation. With the introduction of the 2025 CB750, Honda reaffirms its commitment to pushing the boundaries of what's possible, while honoring the legacy of a legendary lineage. As riders embark on new adventures and forge unforgettable memories aboard the CB750, one thing remains certain: the spirit of freedom, exploration, and camaraderie that defines the CB750 will continue to inspire and captivate riders for generations to come.